All right, we have sip.
Sip.
Is the S sound like sip,
Sip.
ship,
Chip.
and chip.
Chip.
Sane,
Thin.
chain,
Chain.
chain, not
Chain.
chain, and chain.
Chain.
Chain. Leasing,
Listen.
leashing,
Leashing.
and leaching.
Leaching.
Base,
Base.
bash,
Bash.
Bash.
batch. Cash,
Cash.
cash,
Cash.
catch.
Catch.
Okay. So do you guys see the difference?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. All right. Read on that. All right. So this is a tongue twister. I can't say it, but do you want to try saying this tongue twister 5 times really quickly? And it says, she sells seashells by the seashore. I can't even say it slowly. Anyone want to try?
She sells seashells by the
oh my God.
seashore.
She sell by the
Seashells by the sea.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
she sells by the seashore.
There you go.
Oh my
Seashells
God. Seashells by the seashore.
So
There's
I
one
have
more. Check the sheep shippers for seeing and keeping sheep.
Oh.
I swear they're really hard.
check
All
the
right.
shippers for shipping ships.
Chuck and Ross's cherries and peaches get mushy in a rush.
Chuck and Ross, cherries and peaches get mushy in the rush.
Insane Shane claimed his catch close to his catch.
Insane
Shane
change
his
catch
catch
close to his catch, not check.
The searcher for the perch perished on the chilly seashore.
The teacher
The
searcher for
perches on the chilly shore.
on the
Shorest.
seashore.
Sean Shix was seasick selling seashells in a shallow shoals.
Oh.
That was a hard one.
Yes.
John
She
was
sick
selling seashells in the shallow shoal.
We sound like chickens, you guys. All of us. We sound like chickens. Me too. Shush said Sally, and she shredded Charlotte's sheep shirts.
Shush said Charlie. She. Oh my God.
I know.
Charlotte. Sheep shirt.
Sheep shirts.
cheap shirts.
Chip shirt.
Sherman was shy about chips and sherbet in Chattooga. Oh.
Sherman
was
shy
about
chips and sherbet in
Chattanooga.
Chattanooga.
I know. Charlie is sure sore. Oh, I can't. Charlie is sure sore about the chip Tahitian fuchsia he purchased.
Charlie is
sore
about the chipped Titan fuchsia he purchased.
Sean shredded and stopped chopping his hashish.
Sean shredded and stopped